Strange habits. Rich people have that you don't, but should. What if I told you that the richest people in the world have strange little habits that seem weird to most of us, but they're exactly what helped them get rich in the first place? These aren't big secrets or complicated strategies. In fact, they're so simple, you might even laugh. But here's the twist. These habits could quietly be the reason why they keep getting richer while everyone else stays stuck. Some of these habits go completely against what we've been taught growing up. Yet they work. Curious? You should be. Because once you understand why the rich act this way, you'll never look at your own habits the same again. Let's dive. Number 1, they schedule thinking time. While most people rush from one thing to the next, rich people actually block out quiet time just to think. Not scroll, not binge watch. Think. Take Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive. He spends about 5 to 6 hours a day reading and thinking. He calls it his thinking chair time. No emails, no meetings, just thinking. Why? Because thinking gives clarity. It helps you make better decisions and spot opportunities others miss. Try this. Each morning, spend just 10 minutes with no phone, no noise, just thinking about your money goals or how to solve a problem in your life. They love boring routines. You might expect rich people to live a flashy, unpredictable life. But here's the shocker. They actually love routines. Repeating the same morning habits, wearing the same types of clothes, eating the same breakfast. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same kind of gray t-shirt almost every day. Why? Because he doesn't want to waste mental energy choosing an outfit. When your daily routine is simple, your brain is free to focus on the big stuff, like building wealth. You can do the same. Instead of waking up and scrolling, try waking up at the same time every day, making your bed, drinking a glass of water, and starting your day with a plan. 3, they ask dumb questions. Rich people aren't afraid to look clueless. In meetings or learning environments, they'll ask what seems like dumb questions because they want to fully understand. Most people stay quiet out of fear of looking stupid, but rich people don't care how they look, only what they can learn. Example. Elon Musk has openly admitted that he learned about rocket science by asking a lot of basic questions, then reading to fill in the gaps. So next time you don't understand something about your finances, credit scores, taxes, stocks, ask the question, even if it feels dumb. Because staying confused is more expensive than asking. 4, they're obsessed with free stuff. You might laugh at the idea of a millionaire chasing freebies. But rich people are constantly finding ways to get free value, from using credit card points to get free flights, to leveraging business expenses legally to save on taxes. They don't let a single benefit slip by. Example. Many wealthy people use a rewards credit card for everyday expenses. Then, they pay the full balance on time, never a dollar in interest. In return, they rack up free travel, cash back, and perks. If you're not using credit cards wisely, you might be missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year in free value. 5, they write down their thoughts obsessively. Many self-made millionaires carry a journal or notebook with them. Why? Because they know their best ideas won't come when they're ready, but randomly. Richard Branson, of Virgin Group, says he never travels without a notebook. He's built billion-dollar businesses by capturing simple ideas that most people forget. Here's something you can try. Keep a small notebook by your bed. When you wake up with a new idea or even just a feeling, write it down. Over time, this builds clarity, awareness, and better decision-making. 6, they hang out with people who are smarter than them. Most of us prefer to feel smart in the room. Rich people want to be the dumbest in the room. They surround themselves with experts, mentors, and people who challenge their thinking. That's how they grow. If your friends only talk about gossip, games, and complaints, it's time to expand your circle. Try joining a finance group, a local business meetup, or even following smarter voices online. Remember this, your income often becomes the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Number 7, they sleep like it's a job. No, really. While many people brag about hustling and sleeping 4 hours a night, rich people treat sleep like an asset. Jeff Bezos aims for 8 hours of sleep a night. So does Oprah. They believe that a rested brain makes better financial decisions. If you constantly feel tired, your judgment gets clouded, and you're more likely to overspend, skip investing, or fall into debt traps. Try this. For the next week, protect your sleep like it's a meeting with your boss. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, and track how your energy and spending change. Number 8. They're obsessed with tracking. Rich people don't just set money goals, they track them obsessively. They know exactly how much is coming in, how much is going out, and where every dollar is going. It's not because they're cheap. It's because they want control. Example, many millionaires use apps or simple spreadsheets to track monthly spending. They treat their personal budget like a business budget. You can do the same. Start with a free budget tool or just write down your income and spending for 30 days. You'll be shocked at what you discover. Number 9, they delay gratification on purpose. Here's one of the hardest habits, waiting. Rich people are constantly delaying pleasure for a bigger reward later. Instead of buying the newest iPhone the day it drops, they might wait a year, invest the same amount, and let their money grow. Think of it like planting seeds. Most people eat the seed. Rich people plant it. Next time you want to splurge, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money in the long run? Number 10. They talk to themselves. A lot, yes, really. Rich people often use internal dialogue, positive self-talk, affirmations, and mental rehearsals. Serena Williams uses affirmations before her matches. So do countless entrepreneurs before big decisions. It might feel silly, but repeating things like, I am learning how to grow my money, or I make smart financial choices can actually rewire your brain. Try saying your money goals out loud each morning. It might just change how you see yourself. Number 11. They treat every dollar like an employee. Poor and middle-class people see money as something to spend. Rich people see every dollar as a tiny employee that should be put to work. When they earn money, they don't think, what can I buy? They think, where can I invest this to make more? Let's say you have $500. You could spend it on new clothes, or you could invest it in a side hustle, stock, or course that helps you earn more in the future. Start treating every dollar like it needs a job. Number 12. They do weird things to avoid taxes, legally. Here's where it gets interesting. Rich people do things most people never think of, just to save on taxes. They might set up an LLC for their side hustle and deduct expenses like their laptop, travel, or phone bill. They might invest in real estate for the depreciation benefits. Example, someone who earns $100,000 a year from a business might pay less tax than someone earning $60,000 from a regular job because of legal tax deductions. It's not about cheating the system. It's about understanding it better. Number 13. They never stop learning. Finally, rich people never assume they know it all. They read constantly, take courses, watch financial videos like this one. They invest in learning more than they invest in things. Example, Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Many are about business, psychology, or global economics. Even just 15 minutes a day of financial reading can transform your mindset in 1 year. The secret isn't to learn everything today. It's to learn something every day. You've just seen the habits. The quiet, weird things rich people do that don't seem flashy, but lead to real wealth. Now ask yourself this. Which one will you start today? The truth is, you don't need $1 million to act like a millionaire. You just need to think like one. And the moment you start, the game begins to change. You don't have to do them all at once. Just pick one. One habit, one small shift. Because once you do, everything else starts to follow. Now that you know the strange habits of the wealthy, the real question is, will you stay the same or start thinking differently today?